Hi viewers, this is Umarani Purushothaman welcoming you all to the story page in English. Today, I thought I will share with you a story regarding persistence. What is persistence? Vidamuyarchi. This is very much required in our life. So, I thought I will share with you a story on persistence. Just have a look at this PPT. I am showing you the story moves around World War and some bomb blast as well as the earthquake and a person and something about a car. Okay, I will tell you the story now. Actually, this is about a person who had a great vision in his life. He was actually working as a laborer in a small automobile company, but he had a big vision. He wanted to become the owner of an automobile company. Okay, that was his vision. So he kept on trying to find out, and manufacture some spare parts for the car. So he will manufacture a small spare part for the car which will help to reduce the consumption of fuel. Okay, so this man, he is working as a laborer, but with that spare part he will move around to all the automobile company. Finally the Toyota company will place order. He will be so happy. Okay, so with all that money he earned, he will resign his job in that company and then he will start manufacturing that spare part. Okay, so you all know that World War took place, and two World War took place, in long before. At that point of time, what happened was they bombed Hiroshima. So this man is from Japan. So entire Hiroshima country, that whole place itself was gutted down. Just imagine his company then. So he did not know what to do. But then also he will not lose his confidence. What he will do is he will pledge all his wife jewel. Again he will recollect and money, and then he will again restart his business. You know what will happen this time? Earthquake will take place. So because of earthquakes, again his factory will be gutted down. Then also he will not lose his confidence. That is the greatness of this man. He will not lose confidence. He will again restart. Somehow he will collect the money. Then now he will sell his spare part to Toyota company. Slowly he will grow and then he becomes the owner of an automobile company. You know who this man is? It is none other than Honda. He is called as Honda, who started two-wheeler, who started four-wheeler company, and he is among the top 10, automobile companies in the world. So this is how, he started and he came up in his life. So he can be given the best example for, the persistence in his life. Again, I just want to share with you the moral of the story. Winners always search for a solution. Losers always search for an escape. To pick up and restart the business, Honda struggled again and again. Perseverance is failing 19 times and succeeding the 20th time. Develop success from the failures. Failure is a stepping stone of the business. I think you all will agree, failure is the stepping stone. How many times you fail, don't worry. Don't lose your heart. Have that self-confidence in you. Try again and again. One day you will become like Honda and the whole world will admire you. Thank you children for watching me. Meet you tomorrow.